With so many devices in our lives, the need for an easy charging solution has never been greater. The problem is that current chargers are heavy and bulky with long, dangling cables, making them annoying to carry, use, and store. We believe it's time that our chargers better match our mobile and active lifestyles. Meet Kado. Less than 0.2 inches, it's the world's thinnest and lightest wall charger for mobile devices. Kado Wallet can charge your cell phone, tablet, and other electronic products. It includes a tiny charging unit and a uniquely designed detachable cable unit. You can also connect devices using a USB cable directly to the charger. Fully compliant with safety regulations, Kado's electrical prongs fold in and out, allowing increased portability. The 2-feet retractable cable allows for data and power transfer. Using a roll-in system, Kado Wallet keeps the cable intact and eliminates bulky, tangled wires. Kado Wallet is compatible with Apple Lightning, micro USB, and USB Type-C based devices and provides 2.1A rapid charge for smartphones. Kado Wallet can also be used to charge tablets, wireless earphones, cameras, and other devices. Kado, the world's thinnest charger. Kado Sleeve uses Kado's groundbreaking technology to offer a new dual charging experience for laptops. Kado Sleeve has 2 USB ports for simultaneously charging a laptop and an additional device, such as a cell phone, a tablet, or any other supported device. To save even more space, Kado Sleeve is the first folding charger with a unique safety design for electrical prongs. Kado Sleeve has smart power management, which enables it to charge different devices with the same charger and cable. Connect the laptop's charging cable to Kado Sleeve and power up. Change Kado Sleeve's 6.5 feet cable tip to fit the required laptop electrical plug. While you power your laptop, Kado Sleeve's second USB port lets you charge an additional device. Kado, thinnest charger ever.